Hello everybody, Weather in Fife here with the forecast for you regarding tonight's round of severe storms and heavy rainfall that'll make its way through the area starting around 7 or 8 o'clock tonight, pushing in from the northwest and moving southeast as we go through the overnight hours tonight into tomorrow morning. Right now what it looks like is we'll have a round initially of some strong and severe storms that'll push in the area roughly 7, 8, maybe 9 o'clock, pushing in from the northwest southeast. And these storms will have the threat of producing some damaging winds, large hail, and then maybe a brief tornado or two that cannot be ruled out. Once that initial threat pushes through with those initial storms, after that is going to come the main threat for the heavier rain. Now, some areas will likely see 1 inch to 3 inches of rain. However, some localized amounts, like we saw this morning, will have the possibility of reaching 6 to 8 inches of accumulation. Now, that's through tonight into tomorrow morning. So that's another 6 to 8 on top of the 6 or 8 that we had this previous night over in portions of western Franklin County, Gasconade County, and over near Osage towards Jefferson City. That area seemed to experience anywhere between 6 and 8 inches of rainfall during the night. So we could see somewhat of a similar setup with these training thunderstorms through tonight, somewhat of the same pattern and somewhat of the same severity as what we saw the night before. This means that anywhere that's low-lying in areas tonight, you're going to need to watch out for any floodwaters that are coming across the road. And if you're out driving and it's that dark, you probably shouldn't be in this situation. But even if you are, watch for water on the roads. If there's water on the roads, turn around. Do not go that way. Remember, turn around, don't drown in a flash flood situation. It only takes a foot of water to push a SUV off the road, a good-sized SUV off the road. So we really want to watch that. We're also going to watch tomorrow morning if any of that flooding is lingering into the morning commute, watching to make sure that nobody experiences any of that flash flooding there as well. Remember, your personal safety is over you going to work or going to see a friend or whatever. Make sure you stay safe, folks. And just kind of the tracking of this as well, I want to talk about that real quick. It looks like while last night was again further west of our area, just slightly west, right now it looks like anywhere Washington eastward has a very good chance of seeing these heavier rains, especially areas like Labadie, Pacific, Eureka, Wildwood, Chesterfield, and then across the river like Augusta. We could see some Defiance. Any towns like that right now are looking at a pretty good axis of rainfall in that respect, but I think anywhere potentially north and east of that, and maybe even a little bit southeast as well, off towards Jefferson County, those areas could see some heavy rainfall as well. Maybe not as heavy, but I'm thinking that main axis is going to be just west of the St. Louis metro, maybe slightly north and slightly south of that. All right, that's all I've got for you folks today. Make sure to stay safe tonight with this heavy rainfall situation moving in. Remember, turn around, don't drown, and I'll see you all in the next forecast. I'm Chief Meteorologist Ian Pfeiffer, KNL.